Hey everyone, welcome back to Guidezen. Today we are checking out Degoo Cloud Storage, a free backup app that gives you 20 GB of online storage just for signing up. Degoo 20 GB Cloud Storage app. Degoo helps you securely store your photos, videos, and important files in the cloud. It automatically backups your data, so even if your phones get lost, your files stay safe online. You can access them anytime through the app or website from anywhere. Digo offers both free and paid versions. The free one gives you 20 GB with ads, while the premium version removes ads and offers more space and give you faster upload speed. It's a real and trusted app, available on Google Play Store and also on App Store, used by millions of users worldwide for secure cloud backups. If you want a simple automatic way to backup your data, Digo is worth trying. Don't forget to like, comment below your experience and subscribe to Guidezen for more helpful app reviews and tutorials. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.